Yeah, I'm going to try to be as quick as possible, you know what I'm saying, because I don't want this video to be long, right? But I came across on the internet a ravers dancer, Silent, that was allegedly, in some sort of situation with a homosexual. I don't want to get into the history of that. You can go find some video as to what exactly that is about. But it has spiraled much thought inside of me, and a lot of things are stirring up inside of me because I'm looking at the response and the reaction. First of all, Ding Dong, I'm addressing you. I saw you on a live with that person that I don't even want to call the name because I really don't fancy the person. I'm done with out him from what they already. Yes, I'm gonna see you upon one video with the person, and you're saying that you basically don't want him to be associated with ravers. Excuse me? Silent was not dancing for Zandrama. Silent was dancing for ravers. How you mean you don't want the association? How you mean? I don't understand you. Are ravers him did a dance for? I'm going to tell you something. What I don't like with someone, the hypocrisy. I don't like the hypocrisy in the entertainment business. First of all, Ding Dong, remember where you're coming from. You're coming from Ashe days in Nannyville, where the founder of Ashe, deceased, the late Joseph E. Robinson, advocated for people, for the underdogs, so homosexuals. You understand? He did books and his entire work was on that. And at the nest that you come from. And I'm not implicating you as a homosexual. Everybody knows so you're married at XYZ. You understand? And so I'm not in any way implicating you. But what I'm saying, don't be ungrateful. Remember where you're coming from. Just like how you say a whole heap of get a youth your help and not do this for them and not make them travel. Remember where you are come from. Who help you? How are you ungrateful now to the homosexual community? All of a sudden you don't want an association with we. Me not understand. When you use homosexuals when you feel like it. So homosexuals can't do no makeup. Homosexuals can't style no clothes. Homosexuals can't do no hair as you see it fit. Me not understand Me not understand hypocrisy and where it really come from. And no lick out on the carry on. But yet still on the carry on upon the local homosexual creatives them. But make a overseas person a go to some kind of contract or dealing. We take that. One is so hypocritical. One make you so hypocritical in the business. Nobody else now got talk, but me a talk and me no business. One is so hypocritical in the business. What the big thing about homosexual and Jamaica? One is so interested in what people are doing in their private bedroom. One is such a crowd pleaser. Because what you do it for do? You're proving something to the crowd? What you want to prove something to the crowd? That's why I'm telling you, creatives. Nowhere you're not giving a gifting to, because a lot of people talk about, do this to people and you make people, not make nobody. The people them come with them gifting for help, work with give them an offer. It's a barter system. It is a barter system. You understand? Me telling you, homosexuals need to take a stand. Need to take a stand and stop working for these people. Stop a work for them people where anytime on the buck on the toe, then spit on the out along the wayside like a cane trash. Stop a work for them. You think you can't escape homosexual? You can't escape homosexual. We are everywhere when you can't get rid of it. And we are writing the checks. And we are head the entertainment industry. You can't get rid of it. Why not try to prove? So many of you are so closeted. So many of you are closeted gays. And that's why it's coming out. And me a warn you, women, me a warn you. Listen to me. I can't stand. Because when me a bat for homosexual, me a go lick out too. I'll tell you why. You say if you're gay, you're gay. You say if you're straight, you're straight. You say if you're bi, you're bi. But hear what me I say. Don't be a man who is into woman, who is into man. Let me come again. Don't be a man who is into man and you do them something there. But then you are being pretentious and you're there with woman too at the same time. That's cross-contamination. That's bacteria. Because you're having sexual intercourse with your man them, you're not using the condom, and then you go and have sexual intercourse with women, and you're not using the condom. And the poor woman, They are gynecologists and I wonder what happened to her vagina. It is sick. But guess what? Uno society is to be blamed too. Because people can't be themselves. The men them can't be with them men as they would want to be. So what they do, they end up being closeted. To please Uno. And them wear them pants down the sun, them say, yeah, my youth, and them go on and yeah. And them go on like them a shutter. And them go on like them a this, and them go on like them a that. When at the end of the day, you want to see them darling. You my love. Yeah, behind closed doors because of that you don't want. People can't be real. People can't be themselves because of the battering. So guess what them doing? The young girl, them heart a break because you wonder why you're so pretty, why you can't cook, why you can't do everything. And all him do hang out with the boys. And him just want to be with the boys. And you wonder why him not love you. Darling, he doesn't want you. He wants a man. But he can't be himself because society I put pressure upon him. Society I put pressure upon him. But me I warn the creatives. Me I warn the creatives in the homosexual fraternity. Stop do them work. Me say fi stop do them work. Because enough people, me see, gay people do them makeup, gay people do them installation of them wig and them stylists, gay people style them clothes, gay people shoot them video, gay people edit them content, but all of a sudden they still have a problem with gay people. This is worse than black hypocrisy. This worse than black hypocrisy, what is? Stop the hypocrisy. Nobody not supposed to point no finger at this time. Because guess what? As straight as you want to be, the straight man them a go to prison for murder. The straight man them a go to prison for drugs. The straight man them a go to prison for gun. The straight man them a go to prison for rape. And I say the straight man them a talk entertainer. Me not say no burn out and a carry on. Eh? When them come out what you do, you keep big concert and no carry on. When Bridge go to prison for drugs, I want to do long walk to freedom. Jackie will go to prison for rape. Cartel in a prison for murder. Awa. Awa. For all of sin and come short of the glory of God. Everybody but them two somewhere along the line. But somehow, you jump to be personal instead of being professional. And the first think business instead of thinking human. And you never know what compassion is until you need it. As Zandra says, I'm in a business.